Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color something very special. Yes, it's a color palette and a paintbrush. Color palette holds beautiful colors for painting. It has many different colors like red, blue, yellow, green, and more. This is a paintbrush. We use it to pick colors and paint on paper. Dip it in colors and swish, swish, paint away. Red. Yellow. Light blue. Orange. Dark blue. Green. Green. Purple. Yellow. Red. Yay! Our color palette and paintbrush are ready. Great job, little artists! See you next time for more fun drawings.